Best home security systems. Welcome back to Tony's Top Tech, where we break down the best gadgets and gear to keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving into the world of home security. Whether you're looking to protect your property, keep an eye on deliveries, or just gain some peace of mind, we've got you covered with the best home security systems available right now. Stay tuned for our top picks and, as always, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let's get started. Sir 10. Ring Alarm Pro. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Ring Alarm Pro. Ring has made a name for itself in the home security market, and the Alarm Pro is a prime example of why. This system combines all the elements you need for a robust home security setup, with an integrated Aero Wi-Fi 6 router for whole home connectivity. It offers a professional monitoring service, and with the added bonus of seamless integration with other Ring devices like video doorbells and cameras, it's a great option for anyone already invested in the Ring ecosystem. The system is customizable, allowing you to add on sensors and devices to fit your specific needs, and its user-friendly app ensures you're always in control. Sir 9. SimpliSafe Home Security System. Coming in at number 9 is SimpliSafe, a system designed for those who want reliable, easy-to-install home security without the hassle of long-term contracts. SimpliSafe offers a range of packages from basic to advanced, allowing you to choose the right level of protection for your home. What sets SimpliSafe apart is its flexibility. You can start with a basic setup and easily expand it as your needs grow. It includes all the essentials: motion sensors, entry sensors, and even optional indoor cameras. The best part? SimpliSafe offers 24/7 professional monitoring with no required contracts, making it perfect for renters or anyone looking to avoid long-term commitments. Sir 8. ADT Command. At number 8, we have the ADT Command. ADT is one of the most recognized names in home security, and the command system shows why. This professionally installed system offers a comprehensive range of security options, from motion sensors to smart door locks and cameras. What's particularly impressive about ADT Command is its smart home integration capabilities, allowing you to control lights, thermostats, and more from the ADT Control app. ADT's professional monitoring service is top-notch, ensuring that help is always just a button press away. While it may come with a higher price tag and a long-term contract, the level of security and peace of mind it provides makes it worth considering. Sir 7. FrontPoint Safe Home. Number 7 on our list is FrontPoint Safe Home. Known for its excellent customer service and easy DIY installation, FrontPoint offers a wide range of home security products that you can customize to fit your needs. The system uses cellular signals to communicate, making it more reliable than systems that depend on landlines or Wi-Fi. With FrontPoint, you get professional-grade security equipment like door and window sensors, motion detectors, and high-definition cameras. Their mobile app is also intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to monitor your home remotely. FrontPoint's commitment to customer satisfaction, combined with its 24/7 monitoring service, makes it a strong contender in the home security market. Number 6. Vivint Smart Home. Landing at number 6 is the Vivint Smart Home System, a comprehensive solution that offers more than just security. Vivint is known for its high-end, professionally installed systems that integrate seamlessly with a wide range of smart home devices. This system includes everything from doorbell cameras and smart locks to indoor and outdoor cameras, all controlled through a single app. What sets Vivint apart is its focus on automation. The system can learn your habits and adjust settings accordingly, making your home both smarter and safer. The professional monitoring service is always on, and with Vivint's seamless integration with devices like smart thermostats and lighting systems, you're not just securing your home, you're enhancing your entire living experience. Number 5. Abode Security. At number 5, we have Abode Security, a system that strikes a perfect balance between professional-grade security and DIY convenience. Abode is ideal for smart home enthusiasts, as it offers robust support for third-party devices, including those from brands like Philips Hue, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. The Abode system is easy to set up and includes everything you need for a secure home, from door and window sensors to motion detectors and cameras. One of its standout features is the ability to arm or disarm the system automatically based on your location, thanks to geofencing technology. Abode offers both professional monitoring and self-monitoring options, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. Step 4. Cove Home Security. Number 4 on our list is Cove Home Security, a rising star in the home security industry. Cove stands out for its affordability and ease of use, making it a great choice for those who are new to home security systems. The DIY installation is quick and straightforward, and Cove's customer service is top-notch, with representatives available to help you through every step of the process. The system includes all the essentials, such as door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a touchscreen control panel. Cove also offers optional professional monitoring with no long-term contracts, giving you the freedom to opt in or out as needed. With its competitive pricing and user-friendly design, Cove is a great option for anyone looking to secure their home without breaking the bank. Step 3. Arlo Ultra. Taking the number 3 spot is the Arlo Ultra 2, a premium security system known for its crystal-clear 4K video quality and advanced features. Arlo has become a go-to brand for those who prioritize high-quality video surveillance. The Ultra 2 cameras offer a wide field of view, night vision, and even color recording in low-light conditions. These cameras are wireless and weather-resistant, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the standout features of the Arlo Ultra 2 is its integrated spotlight, which can be activated remotely to deter potential intruders. The Arlo app is also one of the best in the business, providing real-time alerts, two-way audio, and the ability to access your camera feeds from anywhere. While the system leans on the pricier side, the quality and features it offers make it a top choice for those serious about home security. Step 2. Google Nest Secure. At number 2, we have the Google Nest Secure, a system that perfectly blends security and smart home integration. Google Nest Secure is not just a security system, it's a smart home hub. The system is incredibly easy to use, with a sleek design that doesn't scream security system. It includes door and window sensors, motion detectors, and a keypad that doubles as a motion sensor. One of the most appealing features of the Nest Secure is its integration with the Google Home ecosystem, allowing you to control your security system with your voice. The system also supports Nest cameras, making it easy to monitor your home from the Nest app. Google's robust ecosystem ensures that you can expand your system as your needs grow, making it a future-proof investment for any smart home. Number 1. ADT Blue. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is ADT Blue, the perfect blend of professional-grade security and DIY flexibility. ADT Blue offers everything you need to secure your home, including indoor and outdoor cameras, door and window sensors, and a powerful base station with a built-in siren. What makes ADT Blue stand out is its flexibility. You can set it up yourself or opt for professional installation, and the system is fully customizable to meet your specific needs. It's compatible with smart home devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem. The professional monitoring service is among the best in the industry, and ADT's reputation for reliability and customer service ensures that you're in good hands. Whether you're a tech-savvy homeowner or someone who prefers a more traditional setup, ADT Blue offers the best of both worlds. And there you have it, our top picks for the best home security systems of 2024. Whether you're looking for a DIY option, professional monitoring, or something that integrates seamlessly with your smart home, there's a system on this list for you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each of these products. Before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, share it with anyone looking to upgrade their home security, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and recommendations. And hey, while you're here, why not check out some of our other videos? We've got plenty of great content waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.